Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading, we are picking cards for your daily energies, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are for your daily energies, guys. For your career situation and your relationship, we are picking cards from another deck. So these are the cards, guys. For your career, we are picking 3 cards, and for your relationship, 3 more cards, guys. So these are for your relationship, and we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily energies first. The Magician, the Emperor, the Star in reverse. Taurus, with these cards for your general energies, I see that you are a very knowledgeable person, and maybe in certain circumstances you will know the truth, what makes those circumstances unfold in a particular way. Maybe some stressful situations or some troublesome situations, you may know what is the reason for those things happening in a particular way, and you have that ability to see things more deeply and with more knowledge. You know the heart of that matter, whatever is causing that circumstance, and you have that knowledge today. And you are a person who is very responsible, protective, and you occupy an important position in your life. You make important decisions, and you have that capacity to sort out the problems that you have, and you deal your situation with authority, determination, and you have that willpower to assess any situation and go decide anything with clarity, guys. And but today I see that in certain choices that you are making today, you may have certain obstacles or some kind of delays, or things may go in a very insecure way for you. You may feel maybe some stubbornness on your part, or stubbornness of people you are with, may be the reason for these troubles. So some right choices, when you're making those choices, your vision may be obstructed by something, and you are making some you should avoid making some irreversible decisions at this time. So something very important, you have to wait, Taurus. Some important decisions you need to wait. That is what I see with these cards for your daily energies. These energies may relate to your career situation or personal life, guys. So let us see what are the cards for our career situation now. We will turn these cards now. It's King of Cups in reverse, 9 of Swords, and 7 of Swords. With these cards for your situation, Taurus, in your career, you are afraid of something, maybe some decisions that you need to make. You are afraid how things may go for you in your future, maybe some important decisions regarding your work, something to do with your projects, or whatever it is. You are afraid of that future or how things will turn out. And there are people in your situation today who are trying to who are not honest. They may be trying to involve you in, or push you towards some kind of a negative situation, maybe, and they may be jealous of you because of the way you are, because of your effectiveness or your past success. They have jealousy towards you guys. And today I also see here that you just want to escape from responsibilities. These burdens are simply tiring you, the situation, and there are people who are willing to take up or grab your place, and they are just waiting someone. So you need to be quite careful, guys, and you feel vulnerable, sad, and even sleepless because of anxieties. Maybe you are too concerned about something in your career and you may be sleepless, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards for your situation, guys. And let us see what are the cards for your relationship, Taurus. It's Death, Devil, Nine of Pentacles. With these cards in your situation, Taurus, you are indulging in something too much. Maybe you have too many fantasies about this person, about this connection. You want to fulfill all that, and you may be overindulging yourself in that, or you may have some addictions that you need to control and you are unable to control it. Maybe some addictions also may be troubling you. And I also see that the way you are in this connection, the way you behave, and whatever your circumstances, that is a major shift in the way you behave and the way you progress in this connection, guys. You are seeing things more clearly now, and whatever is not working for you, maybe your behavior or this person's behavior, you have that clarity today and you're progressing towards that clarity, and you are able to understand this relationship in a better way, and you know what you want and what you need, what is your goal, and you are progressing towards it, changing yourself, changing this person, and you are making great efforts today, guys. That is also what I see here. And you are making efforts to overcome these addictions or something, some behavior that you need to change. But though you do it, try really hard, for some of you it may be quite difficult to overcome these habits. And today you may get that understanding, and you are working towards that better, harmonious and balanced, positive connection. So you are appreciating what you have. You know how things are with you, what are your abilities, your skills, and what are the advantages you have, and what is that what that person will feel. So you know the truth, and you are happy for how things are going today, guys. Though you have some stressful situations in your personal life, Taurus, I see that you are coming to an understanding. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. If this reading resonated, Taurus, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing daily readings every day, guys, and stay tuned for upcoming videos every day. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Bye, guys.